So this will be a parking lot where you will park your car. Then we just go on the street. You can already hear the river go down here. And this little road. After a little bit of walking, I'd say like 100 meters, like nothing, we will arrive here. Isn't that scenic? Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Cross the little bridgey thing, so you can see here a sign, and we take a left. I'd say it was like another 100 meters to get up here. And woo! Look at that! Watch your step, as I'm really clumsy. Wow! Look at that! Isn't that gorgeous? Once again, I decided to walk a little bit further to see if there's like a better spot to take some pictures and videos. And look at that! So I thought I had to take down like a narrow path, but I just found this one here. Whoop! So you're just gonna go down here easily without risking to fall down and dip in. Whoops, also. Oh, look at that. So we're just gonna walk a little bit more down here. Please watch your step. Oh, it's kind of muddy here. So I'll just grab the rail. Wow! Who would thought that it would turn out so beautiful? Look at that. Your own pool just for yourself.